There's Derek's bike set up. Got his handlebars changed. He's got his sissy bar on his new bag. He's got it all set up. Where are we going today?
I'm going to the river and cook something. We'll cook some kibasas.
That's where we're going. I didn't tie that many knots. There was only like 4.
Like the camera showing the world.
The camera's showing the world right now.
No, it ain't showing these knots you tied.
There's not that many. There's only a few.
You have these so you don't have to tie these knots.
No,
right?
there's only a few. Don't lay mighty. There's only a few.
Here, we just put the table together.
Oh, I don't know how to put this together.
You'll figure it out. It ain't hard. It's easy. Once you open it up, it'll make sense. I promise. Yep, now you can put the legs out. See? Easy.
I'm gonna leave that in there.
Leave it in there.
I am.
This goes here. It goes over there.
I'm gonna take you guys down here. Oh crap. This is a boat dock. A boat ramp, however you want to call it. Oh. Let me just yeet. Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving some wood out of people's way. Tree branch. Well, part of a tree. Oh. It's interesting. So, here we go. And see, we usually kayak this. This is where we come out kayaking. So, the other place we go swimming that has the dock that is in a couple of our vlogs, I think. We'll kayak from there to here, and this is where we people pick us up. We also go swimming here. It's really nice here during the summer, of course. So the water's probably not swimmable right now. It's so cold, probably. Sassy, sassy, sassy. There's a bridge. This has been here forever. This was my swimming place when I was a child. Still is. Table, and then you can show my awesome new hoodie. Alright. Show the table. Look at my awesome new hoodie. Well, it's going to show the table first. But
Okay, here's the table.
My awesome new hoodie from Sloan's, Murfreesboro, Tennessee.
Get the stove out. Get the stove set up.
We got a new propane stove too. So that's part of a rock strap. That does not come out. So put thumb on the ground, Helen Jr. This is also Nature Hike. Nature Hike, we love you. Hashtag sponsor us. You know, just saying, just putting that out there. So, how do you open this? Oh, I've not played with this yet. So this
is your first time using it.
This is my first time using this table. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
You gotta get all the way down in there.
It is in there.
And you gotta hit the hose up.
There's a hose?
Mm-hmm. It's in the bag you got.
Oh snap.
It's in my bag. Just throw it apart, go down. Just get it hand tight. And then a little more than hand tight. Now tank goes on.
Look at you working.
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
There was a rock under my knee.
I was wondering why you look like you were flexing.
Fucking hurts.
Is it lit?
Yes.
Oh, I see it. There we go. Alright, to the wiener cooker. This is what we're cooking. This is my handle. My travel handle.
We have a table, the Yeti box, one of the gold boxes, that has all our stuff in it, cutting boards, knives. Why couldn't I put it on the bike?
I had a load.
Now these have fat in them, and grease will come out from this water. The water will cook it some, make it more tender. And then the water will evaporate off and left behind grease, and it'll start frying.
What are you doing?
Wiping the food off my fingers.
People stuck on this sign here. I boated today. It's a Tuesday in America. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at... There's Granny. I don't know what that is. That's the TWRA. Write in the comments below if you know what some of these memes are. I guess these are memes. I know Granny's a meme. I don't know about that one or that one. Isn't that cool though? I need to get some meme stickers and add one to it, but... I was telling them this is where we kayak.
Well, this is where we get out at.
Yeah.
We kayak somewhere else. This is where we get
end up here and load up here.
But this is where you get.
We'll take you kayaking with us this summer if you want to see it. Let us know. Kayaking with us is always fun. Where'd your hat go?
I got some for it. It's getting hot. It's my new knife.
Hold on. What is this one?
The CR, I don't know what it's called, but it's a mini of the CRKT flipper. The CEO flipper.
I think it's called the CEO Mini. But I don't know.
I like these for food knives. I got a bigger one. Just because they're easy to clean. And then stuff, it gets down in there, it's easy to take apart and clean.
We got this at Sportsman's the other day.
But they have it on
Murfreesboro? Tullahoma?
Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro, Tennessee. See the weenies, how they produce the grass? The juices? Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Look, Derek's getting his trash.
How's this my trash?
You cooked.
It's our trash.
When you cook, it's your trash. Pick up your trash. Yeah, you better get your trash. You fool. Want to bite my wiener?
Yeah, I'll eat a bite of your wiener.
I'll record it for you, Junior. Barbecue sauce hit the grass.
I'm going to clarify, Junior's not our kid.
Oh yeah, Junior ain't our kid. Here, Derek, tell him who Junior is.
That'd be a long conversation. Video will be too long.
He's Derek's Xbox friend. Ooh, there's a hole. There's a big hole. What's going down? I gotta get back over there. I'm gonna put this up.